Whittakers' five-kingdom system of classification was proposed by Robert H. Whittaker in 1969, and all the living organism was placed into five different kingdoms in this classification, and the classification was based on characters such as structure of the cell, mode of nutrition, means if the mode of nutrition is autotrophic, heterotrophic, saprophytic, etc. Source of nutrition, so the source is organic or inorganic, in the relationship between the organism, body organization, simple organization or complex organization, and reproduction. So the five kingdom classification includes five different kingdoms such as kingdom Monera, kingdom Protist, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Monera includes of bacteria and archaebacteria. Kingdom Protista consists of algae and protozoa. Kingdom Fungi includes fungus. Plantae includes plants, and Animalia includes animals and birds. Coming to kingdom Monera, it includes the organisms which are prokaryotic and unicellular. Prokaryotic means the cells lacks nucleus and other cell organelles except ribosome, and the organism are unicellular, means the organism consists of a single cell, and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic and heterotrophic. Example includes bacteria and cyanobacteria, which is blue-green algae. Kingdom Protista includes organisms which are unicellular but they are eukaryotic, and the mode of nutrition is both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Locomotory appendages include cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella are thread-like projections from the body. They are permanent structures, and are pseudopodia. Pseudopodia means they are temporary projections of cytoplasm which help the organism for movement and feeding. They are also known as false feet. The organism coming under Protista includes diatoms, the first image, then protozoans like amoeba, the second image, and paramecium, the third image. Coming to kingdom Fungi, it includes fungus, which are multicellular and eukaryotic, and the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic, and it is saprophytic. Saprophytic as they use decaying organic matter as food. The fungus have cell walls which is made up of substance known as chitin, and the fungus can form symbiotic association with some blue-green algae, and together they are known as lichen. Example for fungus includes yeast, mushroom, aspergillus, etc. Then coming to kingdom Plantae, which includes all the plants. They are eukaryotic. Plants are eukaryotic and they are multicellular, and the plant cells have cell wall which is made up of cellulose, and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic. They synthesize their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Based on the body differentiation and the presence or absence of vascular tissue, the kingdom Plantae is divided into five different divisions. They are division Thallophyta, Bryophyta, division Pteridophyta, division Gymnosperm, and division Angiosperm. Division Thallophyta consists of algae. Spirogyra is an example. Division Bryophyta includes of bryophytes such as Rixia, Mercantia, etc. Then division Pteridophyta consists of all the pteridophytes like Xylotum, Selaginella, Pteris, Equisetum, etc. And division Gymnosperm consists of gymnosperms such as Cycas, Pinus, Netum. Then division Angiosperm consists of the entire dicots and monocots. Orchid is an example. Coming to kingdom Animalia, all the animals from the simple animal like sponges to very complex animals like humans and other birds, all are included in kingdom Animalia. They are multicellular and eukaryotic organism, and our cells lack cell wall, and our mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. They exhibit great diversity in body organization from very simple sponges. Simple means the sponges lack brain, nervous system, etc. And the body organization ranges from simple to complex. Complex means like us, we have brain, we have nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, etc. So animal system is again divided into so many phylum and classes, and some of the phylum includes Porifera, Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata, etc. So in this image, First one is sponges, which comes under phylum Porifera. Then jellyfish comes under xylem Coelenterata. Crab include under Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phyla in kingdom Animalia. It also includes insects, spider, prawn, etc. Then starfish comes under Echinodermata, and the fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals comes under Chordata. So the peacock comes under phylum Chordata. Coming to the merits and demerits of Whittakers classification, merits includes the points such as better relationship among organisms with reference to level of organization, which means in first kingdom the animals, the organisms includes prokaryotic and unicellular types. So that level of organization in cellular level, he paid attention to such details while proposing this classification, and there is a clear-cut representation of mode of nutrition. So in each division there is a special emphasis on the reproductive mode, like whether it is autotrophic or heterotrophic, saprophytic, etc. Then better evolutionary trend of reflecting gradual evolution of complex organisms from simple ones, from Munira, which includes prokaryotic organisms, to kingdom Animalia, which is multicellular and eukaryotic, so complex one. Then better placement of certain controversial groups like cyanobacteria, fungi, etc. So cyanobacteria, though they are technically bacteria, they are sometimes called blue-green algae because of their appearance and photosynthetic abilities. And the true bacteria are eukaryotes, but cyanobacteria are prokaryotes. It lacks nucleus and other organelles. So they are separated from other bacteria. And separation of kingdom fungi from plant. The fungus, it is not yet concluded whether it is plant or animal. So they, based on their structural, physiological and biochemical properties, they are placed in a separate kingdom. It is also a merit of five kingdom classification. Coming to the demerits of five kingdom classification, dilemma regarding the position of virus. Virus is not included in classification. It may be because when this classification was proposed, no much studies regarding the microbial diversity was conducted, and also the virus, it is not yet confirmed whether it should be included in living or non-living organism, as it is metabolically inactive outside a living organism. So virus is not included in this classification and is considered as a demerit. And archaebacteria and bacteria are placed under same kingdom. They are different in many aspects like DNA structure, habitat, then metabolism, etc. The archaebacteria, they can be seen in extreme living condition like salt lake, hot spring, etc., whereas bacteria are seen in all other normal habitats. And archaebacteria metabolism is not like normal bacterial metabolism, and also the structure of DNA is also different. Then next demerit is improper grouping of kingdom Protista. Kingdom Protista consists of diatoms, dinoflagellates, then amoeba, paramecium, etc. Here the diatom and dinoflagellates, they are algae and they both have cell wall, whereas amoeba and paramecium both are not considered as plant or animal. They are unicellular organisms and they lack cell wall. So in cellular level there is difference, but both all these different types of organism are placed together in kingdom Protista. And the dinoflagellates, they are not eukaryotic but mesokaryotic. Mesokaryotic means it is an intermediate state between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. It shows prokaryotic features such as mitotic cell division, whereas it shows eukaryotic feature like presence of nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So This dinoflagellates are actually mesokaryotic, but it is placed in protista, and the organism coming under protista are labeled as eukaryotic. So these are the demerits of five kingdom classification, and this classification, five kingdom classification of Whittaker, can be asked as short essay question for the exam. So if you have any doubt, please do ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.